Let me show you how you can get this beautiful hairstyle. Okay, so you start by brushing your hair, then you part your hair. All right, when you're done parting your hair, you go in with your edge control. All right, you guys can see how I'm taking my time to part my hair because I want to get a neat pattern. Yeah, then I will use a clip to secure the rest of the hair. Then I'll go in with this beautiful edge control. This edge control is very good. I recommend it. All right, when you're done applying your edge control, you go in with your brush, any brush of your choice, just to slick the hair down. All right, so when you're done, you go with your kinky. So for the benefit of this class, I'm using Darling Kinky. Yeah, so when you part your hair, you comb, you start by braiding your hair. I don't know, most people do go in with just tying the hair. All right, I don't. I first of all braid the hair just a little bit before I'll go in plaiting the hair. All right, I feel this way will make the pain reduce for your clients. Your client won't feel much pain when you do this method. I don't know, you guys can try it out. So after that, you go in with your kinky. All right, here you are just going with just little part of the hair to tie it. You are not tying with a lot of the hairs. Just take small and start tying just by the roots. This is how you go in. Just tie. When you exhaust the hair, you pick up another hair, cut out another hair to continue from where you stopped. So when you are done, you secure the part, you tie it 2 times. Like me, I go in with tying it 2 times. You can tie once, twice, anyhow, but I tied mine 2 times. So this is the trick. All right, you make this to form like a cycle. All right, then you are using your band. You will see the type of band that I'm using here. This is small black band. That is what you will use. So when you hold this part, you tie this other part with the rubber band. All right, 2 times. You can tie 3 times. It's your choice. So this method, it has 2 methods. So I'm going to show you the 2 methods you can use. So this is the first method I'm doing here, where you fold the hair inside the one you tied with the band. This is a method. This is one method you can use to achieve this hairstyle, but I'm still gonna show you another method which you can actually use to achieve the same style. So I think the last method I'm gonna show you now is the best for me, because I feel it lasts longer than this. All right, than this method. So yeah, let's do the next method. This method is better for me, but I just wanted to like show you guys different methods you can use to achieve this beautiful hairstyle. All right. So yeah, this is another method that I use to achieve this hairstyle. All right, this one you go in with another band and you use the band to tie the hair. You flip it over, then use another band to secure it. Yeah, you guys can see. Yeah, so I'm gonna flip it to the other side, then I'll still go in with another band to secure it. Just tell me, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the first method or this second method? Yeah, this is the second method you can use to achieve this beautiful hairstyle. Please, if there is anything you don't understand, please do well to put it down in the comment section. And if you like what you just watched, please do well to follow, like and subscribe. Equally share, please, so that other people can equally benefit from this video.